Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, of course, it's Naomi's here with you. So, as you lot can see already from the title, today I'll be showing you guys how I make my jollof rice mixed with minced beef. Okay, so first of all, you have to wash your hands, and you don't necessarily have to wash the minced beef. Okay, I usually do wash it, just health and safety, but you don't have to. So I wash it, and I just dip my fingers inside and I just give it a little bit of massage, like you can see from the video. All my minced beef has been washed and clean, so now it's time to season it. So I'll be showing you guys the seasoning that I'll be using. You can use any seasoning, anything that you want to put in there. Okay,
your body they make me they wonder. Why your body is it to chop my money? Why your body is it to chop my money? Why your body is it to chop my money? Why your body is it to chop my money? Why your body is it to chop my money? Why your body is it to chop my money? Why your body is it to chop my money? Why your body is it to chop my money? Anything you want, I give you sweet tomato. Me, I want love you proper. Yeah. Anything you give me, baby, I go chew. Me, I no go chop another. You leave me, I want your body next to me. Girl, I'm on my knees. It could be like 5 and 6. Where you they go? No use me, catch it cruise. Oh, baby, oh. If you don't give me your body, girl, I'll be pained, oh. Come and be my woman. Your body, they make me the wonder. If you don't give me your body, girl, I'll be pained, oh. Come and be my woman. Your love, it, they make me the wonder. Why your body, if you to chop my money? Why your body, if you to chop my money?
guys, you do not need to leave yours for 4 hours. I left mine for 4 hours because I was cooking other things as well, so it kinda took long for it to be cooked. That's all. You can leave it for 20 minutes, 1 hour, as long as you want.
Classical boy. Oh, Lord, rock your body. Tell me, boy, and I'm like again. Why your body, why your body is it to chop my money? Why your body to chop my money? Why your body is it to chop my money? Your body bang. I beg you, no, they complain.
You wait for the minced beef to change color. So as soon as you see the color brown, so that means the minced beef is ready. So if it's still red, then it is not ready, it is not cooked. Okay,
I love you, auntie. I'm waiting for you. If you don't give me your body, girl, I'll be paid. Come and be my woman. Your body, they make me they wonder. If you don't give me your body, girl, I'll be paid. Come and be my woman. Your body, they make me they wonder. Why your body is it to chop my money? Why your body is it to chop my money? Why your body is it to chop my money? Why your body is it to chop my money? Why your body is it to chop my money? Why your body is it to chop my money? Why your body is it to chop my money? Why your body is it to chop my money? Anything you want, I give you sweet tomato. Me, I want love you proper. Anything you give me, baby, I go chew. Me, I no go chop another. You leave me, I want your body next to me. Girl, I'm on my knees. It could be like 5 and 6. Where you they go? No use me, catch it cruise. Oh, baby, oh. If you don't give me your body, girl, I'll be pained, oh. Come and be my woman. Your body, they make me the wonder. If you don't give me your body, My your body, my your body, yo. My your body, you fit to chop my money. My your body, you fit to chop my money. My your body, my your body, my your body. Classical boy. Oh Lord, tell me boy and I'm Mike again. Your body, your body is to chop my money. Your body, your body is to chop my money. Your body bang. I beg you no they complain. So tell me what the price. You know I like it my vibes. That your body complete oh. You know I get it country. You know I love you want it. I'm waiting for you. If you don't give me your body, girl I'll be paid oh. Come and be my woman. Your body they make me they wonder. If you don't give me your body, girl I'll be paid oh. Come and be my woman. Your body they make me they wonder. Buy your body if you to chop my money. Buy your body if you to chop my money. Buy your body if you to chop my money. Buy your body if you to chop my money. Buy your body if you to chop my money. Buy your body if you to chop my money. Buy your body if you to chop my money. Buy your body if you to chop my money. Anything you want, I give you sweet tomato. Me, I want love you proper. Yeah. Anything you give me, baby, I go chew. Me, I no go chop another. Girl, you leave me, I want your body next to me.